Why don't we tell computers jokes? Because they take things too literally. Now, isn't that a chuckle-inducing thought? But let's shift gears to a topic that's no laughing matter. Generating income from the comfort of your four walls with artificial intelligence. Behind a black background transition with white lettering, it reads, "Yes, you heard it right." Now I know what you're wondering. If computers can't even grasp a simple witticism, how on earth are they going to assist me in making a living? Well, that's a misconception, my friend. These code-driven geniuses might not be the life and soul of the social gathering, but they know how to churn a handsome sum. Consider Siri, for example. One moment she's aiding you in locating the closest pizzeria, the next she's an integral element of a multi-billion-dollar enterprise. And let's not even begin to delve into Alexa. That petite chatterbox is virtually manufacturing money. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to plunge into the electrifying world of artificial intelligence. If you found that joke amusing, wait until you learn about the fortune you can amass with AI. Ever heard of the saying, time is money? Well, in AI stock trading, it's more like data is money. AI is a game changer in the world of stock trading. It can crunch numbers and analyze market trends at a pace that would make even the most seasoned stockbrokers head spin. It's like having a supercomputer that can predict the future of the stock market. Pretty cool, right? AI uses complex algorithms to analyze historical data and current market conditions, then makes predictions faster than any human ever could. And the best part, there are AI trading platforms accessible to beginners. You've got platforms like AlgoTrader and Trade Ideas that offer AI tools to help you dip your toes into the world of AI stock trading. So if you're into numbers and have a knack for risk-taking, AI stock trading could be your golden goose. Who said you need to be Shakespeare to write good content? With AI, you can be a content king or queen. Picture this, your computer churning out engaging articles, witty social media updates, and riveting blog posts, all while you're sipping your morning cuppa. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. AI content creation tools are the magic behind this dream. They can create content that is not only engaging, but also tailored to your audience's tastes and interests. From blog posts to social media updates, these tools can do it all. Imagine using AI to write a blog post about the latest fashion trends or a social media update about a new tech gadget. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can start earning money from this. Sites pay for quality content, and with AI, you can ensure your content is top-notch. Think about it. You could be making money while your AI is doing all the work. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Everyone's got an app these days, but not everyone's got an AI-powered app. That's where the money is. Imagine a world where your app can think, learn, and make decisions. That's the power of artificial intelligence. And the best part? AI app development isn't just for tech wizards. Anyone with a bit of curiosity and a willingness to learn can dive into this exciting field. Creating an AI-powered app can be quite lucrative, especially if it solves a specific problem or caters to a niche market. You see, AI is not just about creating fancy tech. It's about solving real-world problems in a way that's efficient and user-friendly. There are plenty of resources available for beginners who want to learn how to develop AI apps. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer courses in AI programming, machine learning, and data science. If you're a problem solver with a creative streak, AI app development could be your ticket to financial freedom. You know how everyone's always asking you for advice? Well, imagine if you got paid for it. That's AI consultancy for you. Picture this. Businesses everywhere are looking to implement AI technology. They're hungry for it, but they're also a bit lost. They need someone who knows the ins and outs of AI, someone who can guide them through this digital labyrinth. That's where an AI consultant steps in. As an AI consultant, you'd be the Sherpa guiding businesses up the mountain of AI. You'd help them identify the right AI tools for their needs, assist in the implementation, and even train their staff. And the best part? You can command high fees for your expertise. To become an AI consultant, you'll need a solid understanding of AI technology and perhaps a relevant degree or experience. But don't fret, there are plenty of online courses and resources to help you get there. So if you're someone who loves helping others and knows a thing or two about AI, why not consider AI consultancy? Wow, that was a lot of information, wasn't it? Let's quickly recap. We've taken a whirlwind tour of 5 exciting ways to make money with AI from home. Each one of these avenues is a testament to the fascinating opportunities that artificial intelligence brings to the table. Firstly, we delved into the world of AI stock trading. With the right tools and a bit of savvy, you can harness the power of algorithms to predict market trends, make informed decisions, and watch your investments grow. It's like having your own personal Wall Street guru right on your laptop. Then, we explored the realm of AI content creation. From writing articles to designing graphics, AI can do it all. And the best part? It never gets writer's block or runs out of creative juice. If you've got a knack for marketing and a love for storytelling, this could be your golden ticket. Our third stop was the land of AI app development. This is where your coding skills can truly shine. Imagine creating an app that uses AI to make people's lives easier or more fun. It's a challenging but rewarding path, and the possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Next, we looked at AI consultancy. If you're an AI whiz, why not share your knowledge and guide businesses on their AI journey? It's a role that requires expertise, but it also comes with the satisfaction of helping others succeed. Plus, it's a field that's only going to grow as more and more businesses hop on the AI bandwagon. In a nutshell, these are all viable and lucrative options. They're not just ways to make money, they're also gateways to exciting careers and opportunities in the ever-evolving world of AI. So what are you waiting for? It's time to turn that AI knowledge into cold, hard cash. And remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today.